and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain Coca-Cola.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of Coca-Cola.com website and this is the featured collection along with their prices. So guys, Coca-Cola is an online shopping store based in United States that sells women fashion wear and clothing including coats, tops, jackets, bottoms, women boots, accessories like jewelry, hats, gloves, etc. And the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about the payment information. So you can see the modes of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, Discover, etc. Now let's check out the shipping information. So you need to visit the delivery section here. So guys, according to the website details, the shipping duration for orders $39 above is free and it will take 15 to 30 business days, and the standard shipping duration will be 15 to 30 business days, and the shipping cost will be $4.99. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, I'm going to talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about domain information, so the domain name was created on 8th of September 2020. So this is not an old website guys, this is a newly launched website. So we need to discuss more factors about this website to define its legitimacy or fakeness. So let's check out the About Us section of this website. So this is the About Us section of this site, and you can take a look here that limited info is available on the About Us page. No information or details are available regarding business establishment year, business owner name, photos, brand connection info, etc. So this is a bad sign here and defines the fakeness of this site. Anyways, talking about contact details, let's check out the contact us page of the site. So they have not provided their official company's address as well as contact number. But yes guys, they have provided an email address which does not matches with the domain name. So again, this is a bad sign here that shows that the website may be suspicious. Now talking about social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all. Therefore, the site can't be trusted. Now let's check out the refund policy. So guys, the website has mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, to comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about customer reviews, so we found no Coca-Cola.com reviews on the official website and on the internet as well. So we can say the site is highly suspicious. And guys, the website is also not professionally managed, which defines the fakeness of this site. So in the final conclusion, I would say stay away from such type of scam websites. This site appears to be a scam website. And for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting, please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.